On the day I picked up the Supra, we went straight to Maccas, we got a sweet dinner, come home and got straight to work on the Supra. I noticed there was about 5, 6, maybe 7 things that I really wanted to get done, really tiny, really small. They only took half an hour, and I want to share those with you. These are my favorite 5, 6, 7 things that I've done that made my car feel a lot more me, and super cheap, super quick, but stay tuned and I'll show you what they are. All right, guys. Rain, Dusk. This is Rain, guys. Last time you met Dusk. Hey, Rain, sit down. Rain, come here. Hey, sit down. You're a good boy. I wasn't sure if I should go down to service or talk to my salesperson, but there was a serious issue with the car. Needed to get that one fixed straight away. No one was willing to help me, so I thought it'd be the first thing I do. For this one, guys, fishing line, scissors. Joel, come around here. This woeful, awful Toyota badge needs to come off.
You need to put a BMW badge on.
Hey, what are you doing, Dust? Guys, you would have noticed with the heat gun, I was moving it. You don't want to just sit still on there. You want to move it around a little bit. Make sure it's all heated up nice and evenly. Like, that's pretty hot, that badge now. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to grab some fishing line. Now I'm going to want quite a bit of it. We're going to waste it. So you got to wrap it around your hands. So we'll just get plenty on there. Even more than that. That'll do. So what do we got? Like a meter? Yeah, it's pretty thin. Actual braid fishing scissors. Let's cut that bad boy. All right, you want a lot here, guys, because you want to be able to wrap it around your hands and not burn your hands. So, and then all we do is push right up against the car. Oh, wow. It's actually coming off super easy. Ooh. So when it's nice and warm, guys, it just rips through that glue really easy. There should be some residue left, and then we'll get rid of that in a sec. So that Toyota badge, oh no. No, I want to keep it. I want to break it. I just want to keep it just because. Bit of a fanboy there. So there it is there, guys. We'll get rid of that in a second as well. I'm going to rub this with my finger. If it needs to be reheated, guys, reheat it. But when it's nice and warm, it comes off pretty easy. I want to take most of this off before I wipe that with the wax and grease remover. If you have marked it, like I don't think I've marked it at all. If you have, it'll be super light. You just grab your cut and polish. Just got some wax and grease remover on this. Let's have a look. And that's just coming right off. Done. Completely gone. And let me see if I've marked it at all, because if you mark it, you can fix it, no worries. But I haven't marked it. Perfect. Thanks, Yen. Can't even get this now. Perrin license plate holder, we'll get this one installed. They did not put the front plate on there for me, which is great. I just zip tied it on the front to get home. It looks pretty funny and cheap. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and get the plate holder in. This one out. Perrin license plate holder, guys. This is for America, remember? So a lot of this stuff's not gonna be good for us. Stickers, cool. Instructions, awesome. This was huge, but I have already cut this, so it was about that big. I'd cut that, guys. I used a hacksaw, and I just painted it with a brush, again, with black anti-rust paint, just to make sure nothing happens to it. All right, we got all that for the plate there. With this plate holder, it's really easy to pop out from the left side, boom, straight out. Put a little bit of anti-seize on this. I don't need much because it's in great condition, so I just put a little bit on there. And let's go ahead. Just carefully your bumper. I'm just going to stick a couple of washers in there because I actually give you 6 washers. I might stick 3 in there. Yeah. I might actually drop a little bit of anti-seize on this as well. All right, so I've just got 3 washers on here.
Yeah.
Hitting the sensor?
Yep.
There?
No.
Not the sensor?
No sensor.
Cool. So right there, that's fine. No sensors going off, so I'll be putting it right there. Any closer than that, that front sensor goes. So let's get some holes drilled in here and we'll attach it. I like putting sugar on my rego plates. You can ignore this. No one else does it. I'm a pain in the ass. I don't want any water getting in through these holes and into that. So just in the past, I've had some come through. So now I get a little bit of shugu. I play a lot of cricket, so this goes on the base of my cricket bats. Now it's also going on my rego plates. Shugu, you've always got to stick your finger. Make sure it doesn't stick to you, and I'll just flatten that out on this side. And I'll flatten it out on the other side. And now no water can get in from behind this, especially once I've got that on. So this will be fog and water free. All right, that's in. Sweet. That is it for the first night. We haven't done much, but we have at the same time. We've got those puddle lights in, wind buffeting in, the Perrin license plate holder, which is actually really quite nice. I'm really happy with that, especially once I've got that ALTREX cover on. So yeah, we've got, tomorrow we'll be doing dash cam. We'll actually do the rear wing tonight, but I'm not going to include this in that video. That'll be in the next video, guys. We'll get the wing on there, see how it looks. So, but that's it for all these small bits anyway. We'll catch you on the wing video.